Guess what today's project is? I'm in the bathroom right now. I gotta repair a wobbly toilet. I need to repair the ring. So basically the toilet was rocking back and forth because, I'll show you right now, this is broken. And so is this one. So the tools we're going to need today is a drill, a drill bit, set of pliers, and this toilet flange repair kit. So I need two of them. I got to put one on this side and one on the other side. The anchors to bolt down the toilet to. A caulking gun and silicone. Alright, so first step is we're going to open the package, that way we know where we're going to put the flange on. Basically it's going to go right here. Where is it? Right there. Maybe we could screw it in here too if we get smaller screws. You can do it with a drill, but I'd say a hammer drill would be better because it does it much faster. Trust me, much faster. But let me see if that's wide enough to put this anchor.
Yep. Now look how long the screw is. So this has to go at least up to about there. So what we can do is put a tape right around here. That way we know that's how deep we gotta do. We gotta drill the hole.
So I had to get the hammer drill. This makes the job a whole lot easier. Trust me, you'll see right now the difference. You saw what that did. Now you're going to see how this one works it. The purpose of the hammer is to tap these anchors in there. That's the purpose of the hammer. So let me open up. Got them in. And if you leave it like that, it could bend. I think I'm gonna drill it like that without these damn spacers. Okay. Alright, so I put it in some places you may need the washer just to balance it out, but since this one wasn't completely full like this, it was broken, it made it a little harder to stay straight, but you really don't need it. Because once you put it on and you have a full thing, you don't really need that spacer there on the side. But when it's broken like this, if it was more broken, it would be easier to put the spacer right there. But it's very hard. Right, but that's in there perfect. If I push this any more down, it's gonna start tilting over. But once we put it on and we put the seal on top, it's gonna be in place. So now, which seal am I gonna use? I have two seals. Okay, I have the wax seal and then a new system. Try it on the new system with the way it is, but the toilet sits up very high. So I really want to stick with the new system because I really don't like all this gooey mess of the wax around here. Looks like crap when you take it off, but it really wax. I'll show you what it looks like. So these are the two systems. We got this Fluidmaster, better than wax. And this is what the wax looks like. I really don't want to put the wax on. So we'll save that for another project. But this is really the one I want to put in. It's no wax. It has a foam interior on the bottom. And you got this spout, so it doesn't leak, the water doesn't leak out to the side, so it will fit right in there like that. So I'm gonna go with this. Can't put this on because then it's gonna sit very hot. I'm gonna stick with this one. Basically, this is just a spacer. Okay, so if this was underneath here, then we will put this on top. But since this is above, all we need to do that's it. It's installed. Good. It's still a little high, but we'll fix that in a minute. It's not as high as it was before. So just so you see right now, I already put it on. Doesn't wobble that much. What is missing right now? It's even all the way around. So what I gotta do is fill in this gap right here with silicone. Gives it like a rubber base. Okay, and then it will be hard, steady. Before it was going up higher than that. Now it's stronger just because we put that metal flange there. Tightened it as tight as I could. I'm gonna have to cut this, that way we're able to put the caps back on. As you can see, it's a whole lot tighter than what it is. So basically, that's what the silicone rim looks like on the bottom. So no water from the shower goes in from there, and the water from under there comes out from there. But it's not, because we got that gasket, remember? So next step we got to do is cut those gold trimmings, that way we can put the cap on top and clean up the wax residue that's there from the wax seal that it used to have. And now put the top back on the tank. Next video, I installed this onto this one. This is a dual flush system. So you gotta install that to all the toilets in the home. And that'll be the next video on how to install that. Conserve water. So that's what the seal looks like on the bottom. What you gotta do is now you gotta wait like 24, 48 hours. Make sure that it's not bouncy, that way it can stick nice. And you have to tighten the tank onto the toilet bowl, but we can't do it now because it's a little bouncy. So once it starts bouncing, I'll finish connecting it. But that's what it looks like. Now we'll wait about a day or two, make sure that that's nice and rock solid, it doesn't move, and the job is done. So that's on how to repair the flange on your toilet. If you guys got time, just subscribe to my channel. It's JAYSETD and like it.